My family will be able to come and go as they please. Well, that's pretty much it for my security lasers. These should hopefully be able to keep any dinosaurs from getting inside. Whoa, looks like Mikey's security system is also coming along nicely. I wonder what he's building. Hey, Mikey.
Hi!
How's your security system coming along?
Kagwapo ano niyo.
Check out this wall.
Nice.
I surrounded my house with it.
Wow.
Ama, pipi mo.
Ako lang, pinapicture ako siya. Upa katawa na. Malayo. Tawag ka siya ba? Bebe, anak.
Bibi. Agaw mo, uy, mawait. Bibi, ayaw.
Hi, kuya. Hi, kuya. Kuya ba yun eh?
Ay, kuya.
Sister. Kita ni mong camera, day. O, istorya, kuya.
Hi, Bibi. Hi. Hi, Bibi. Hi. Hi, Bibi. Bibi, wag ka. Ah, picture. Mama,